With the hurricane season in full swing, residents living in Orange Tree, St. Thomas want to relocate. But Member of Parliament for Western St. Thomas, James Robertson, says he's working on it. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell has that story.
Over 20 residents living in Orange Tree, St. Thomas use this river to get in and out of their community every day.
They have to make 4 trips across the kids them. Across to go to school, come back. We have to cross in the water.
And with the hurricane season now on, the residents are worried. ROHAN SIMPSON argues the river also needs to be cleaned.
As long as the river don't clean, we are going to flood out.
Have you ever flooded before?
Yeah, I've flooded before. Even the last May gone, the last May month gone, we didn't see us trouble drowned.
Cherry says they would like to relocate, but there's a problem.
We have no help, we have no bridge, we have nowhere else to live, we have no land out from the front, so we have to stay over here. Now we don't have any land. Come across and make our own. So if the government could have come in and help we, make we get piece of land, and the road would have land for it.
Councillor for the Landui Division, EDWIN MARR, says it's a problem the residents have to be dealing with for years.
However, I will be, in a couple of days, meet with some of the residents to look at some of the ways in which they believe I can be of help to them. And from there, I will speak with the relevant persons at the parish council.
Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for Western St. Thomas, James Robertson, says the Orange Tree community is one of 8 that he has serious concerns with whenever it rains heavily.
The residents who are looking for assistance in terms of relocating, as Member of Parliament, I am more than willing and have already started quietly to find suitable land that would be acceptable to them and all. So in terms of relocating, the answer would be yes. I have had discussions with agencies that would be involved, but the fact is that you cannot make pronouncements in politics or in representation before you have your feet well grounded.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.